Nothing in this recording is intended as investment advice, and the people in this recording may hold positions in the companies they talk about. Do not make any investment based solely on a tip or recommendation. Please do your own research.
Hello and welcome to Zak's Traders Cafe. Today I'm joined by George McDonaugh, who's co-founder and MD at KR1. How are you today, George?
I'm very good. Thank you, Zach.
Right, we haven't spoken for years, I think, actually, and obviously a lot has happened in the market since then. First question is that you recently announced your intention to migrate to listing from Aquis to the main market of the London Stock Exchange. Before we get into why you've done that, can you just give us a bit of background on your business? What does KR1 actually do?
Sure. So we're a leading digital assets technology business, primarily focused on investing in decentralized blockchain technologies and on generating income through staking digital assets. We've made over 100 investments in startups in the past decade, and we believe staking represents the big investment opportunity of the next decade. In case your listeners don't know, staking is a mechanism that validates transactions and secures blockchains on proof-of-stake networks, such as Ethereum and Polkadot. The main market listing onto the London Stock Exchange will be a major event for the company, and we hope for the UK's crypto community at large. So KR1 will be the main market's first multi-asset digital asset equity.
And I mean, obviously, you've got the kudos of being on the main market. What do you think that will actually change investors' perceptions of you?
I think so. We believe this migration will, improve our profile as a company, improve our liquidity, broaden the share register through attracting institutional investors, and align the company with the highest standards of governance and transparency, which is obviously what the public markets are for. We think London's the finest place to list in the world, and we're very excited to join.
As I said before, we haven't spoken for a while, and presumably your business is evolving all the time. Since we've spoken, we've had the Bitcoin Treasury strategy phenomenon. We've had people who say they're going to use staking to increase the yield on their Bitcoin and all the other stuff like that. So that has happened. But how's your business model itself evolved?
So, KR1 has always been, fundamentally research driven, trying to spot, early trends and, support those businesses, as I said, for the best part of, the last decade. So in a way, we've become part of the fabric of the tech communities that build blockchains. As part of that, we've been able to recognize the value of staking very early. And so for the past 5 years, we've been steadily transitioning our business to focus on that activity in particular. The staking economy has expanded hugely in that time, as has our income. We generated £12.8 million worth of staking revenue in 2024. So, we consider staking to be a real game changer. And you could say it's the sort of the holy grail in terms of a compounding strategy.
So obviously this year's been the year when, as I said, the Bitcoin Treasury Strategy Brigade arrived in London. There almost maybe for some people, there's money competing for what you do and what they do. What are your plans for your business there?
So we're going deeper into the staking infrastructure world, and we've got advanced plans at the moment, to spin up a lot of dedicated validator nodes on some of the major networks. And really, our core aim is to show the London markets the value of staking. It's obviously faster and more energy efficient than validating Bitcoin transactions, and that's going to be our main message. Aside from the fact that obviously we will continue to look at the innovation side of the market in order to keep an eye on the ball and all the fascinating stuff that's coming down the pipe.
On that note, George McDonaugh, founder and MD at KR1, thank you very much indeed.
Not at all. Thanks for having me.